Hi, in this video I want to talk about the S&P 500. This is a daily chart and I want to show you how did I trade it this week and the week before that. And I want to start from this candle. After this drop we had very strong bounce exactly to the end of the range, and then we got this outside bar. Here at this outside bar, the whole world and his dog was screaming that the market is going to drop. I almost tempted to short, but the way I think is, when I see a situation like that, is I know there's a ton of stop around this area. This is a stop area. That's all the stops are located above those two highs around this area. Now, what's the chance the market won't go, even if the market is going about to turn around and fall down, and that if they won't take the stop before they're going to do it? The chances are close to zero. So instead of shorting, I was looking to buy dips. And the way I buy dips, I'm going to show you that on the 1 hour chart and the 4 hour chart. Now, this is the S&P 500 4 hour chart. This is the drop of the outside bar on the daily. Now, once it dropped, we can see the RSI fell into value of, just a minute. The value of the RSI here was 40. Now, once I see that, I spot a meaningful swing, and this was the closest meaningful swing. And the RSI value here was the lowest on the bar, this bar, and the two bar next to it was 59. So we had a hidden divergence. This swing related to this swing had a hidden divergence. The market is dropping and the RSI is dropping much faster. And this has to be corrected. Remember, as long as these two lines, 20 and 54, are open, I consider myself in an uptrend. Now, I do not ignore from the previous high, which was here. And I'm always aware to where the market is, but I know that tops are process. They are not usually, we don't have a lot of V-tops and bottom. Now, I was looking for my expansion. My expansion, I got it on the 1 hour chart. A, B, C. The market almost hit the XOP. XOP is 100.618 expansion of this A, B, and C. Now, once we have this ABC, the 4 hour chart has significant HD. HD means hidden divergence. And we hit the 1 hour expansion. Even if you took it on the 100 expansion, the OP, you still were in you had to take some hit, but eventually it went very well buying this dip. Okay, so this was the S&P first chance to go long. Now let's see the second chance. The second chance was around this area, and I'll tell you how did I bought it. Here on this swing we had no HD because the RSI value here is 49 and here is 42, and indeed this swing is lower than this swing, so there's no HD. But once the market broke the high, it took the stops, most of the stops, not all of them. If somebody allocated here, somebody located his stop here, it was not taken yet, but it's about to. Now, not always the breaks will run so fast, and usually they will give you an ABC correction. ABCD correction, I will show it on the 1 hour chart, was this A, B, C. I bought the OP. I bought it here. And the market went up. Why do I bought it? Because I don't let ABC patterns with an uptrend, especially near a break area. I don't let them pass. Even if you bought the COP, which means the 0.618 expansion around this area, you still be profitable. You should take some hit. Now, where is the HD? 49 is the lowest value of this swing. This swing, when the market hit the OP, was 42. So I had no problem going long, especially when the candle pattern, I had this candle. After the outside bar, we got this DCC, positive DCC, telling me that there's a good chance buyers are going to go higher. They went higher and they retraced it. Retraced here, and on this retrace, on the 1 hour chart, I bought this area and went long. It's really picking the bottom, but this is not about tops and bottom picking. It's just about buying the expansion of in an uptrend. 1 hour expansion, 4 hour expansion, but just buy them. These are best chances I have to go into a trend. That's it about the S&P. What my expectations are, well, I truly don't have. We have here kind of a doji, indecision doji, but even if the market will trace here, we probably have a daily HD. So remember, I consider usually tops are processed. They are not something that happened instantly. Usually, when the market creates this kind of this chart price action, when it's coming back to this area, you have an HD and a reasonable place to go long again. Not always for a new high, but still it's a chance. Thank you very much.